Hey, here I am today. I'm going to show you how to start prepping up to remove wallpaper. Spraying the water on, evenly spray it across the whole surface. There you go. Put the water on there. It's going to soak into the paper, and we're going to strip this room down today. I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. Wet it all down. Keep away from the electrical. There you go. Put it on evenly. Continue to spray it. We want to get it completely wet. Keep away from your electric outlets. Keep away from it. The water will soak into the paper. Here we go. See? Spray this all down. Okay, this is the first process to doing the wallpaper removal. We're going to let this soak in, and I'm going to apply a second coat, and we're going to let it soak in. Let's see how far along the paper has been soaking. It's been about an hour. You notice how it's getting behind the paper. There's the spots, the wet spots, and then it goes to the paper beyond that, and that's how we could take the paper off as well. I've soaked it down a couple more times. I'm getting ready to peel the surface layer off, which is the pattern. Do you notice how water penetrated the paper and is now on the back of the paper? So let's see what this one looks like. I'm going to peel it back very lightly. I'm going to try to do the whole thing at once. Here we go. I took the wallpaper off. It's done. It took me about 5 hours, and I kept soaking it, and it's all done. And that would be quality from start to finish.